right here. You can see right here, metal, the wheel right here broke from the deck, but also they've been using it. Yeah, man, we back with another one. Y'all already see it. Back at the shop again. Yep. My boy, we can't say he ready with the Camaro. I see it at the shop. We gonna see what that about. Huh? You already got it. All right, you see, I got it dropped off. Oh, yes sir, did them 10 hours. I was gonna do a video, walking to the vehicle, check everything like I did, but nah. I said, come on, drop off. Oh hell. Oh hell. We and then my boy sent me a video. My boy sent me a video, man, say he done with the Camaro, but he just gotta do the linkage and something else.
All right, everybody, I know y'all been watching old Dip Game TV and seen the little story about the Camaro and the dust and everything. Only been sitting for a while and trying to get it running, and had a couple videos of it actually running. But as you can see, I got a message shop. Yeah, the space is empty right now, and old Camaro, she's sitting outside, y'all, and she's running. Gotta just to shift the cable linkage. Other than that, she will be ready to go to the customer, and I know they will be happy. I might even get a little watch job before I let him go, but she got it good.
I'm gonna let him tell you, but for all y'all, here go the Camaro, y'all. Go ahead and crank it up for him. True enough, he probably ain't got the exhaust on there, but you see it? You see it? He going from one side to another. Oh! I thought he gonna hit the key switch on the other side. I'm like, they call carburetor and you gonna do it like that? I don't know, it might. There it is. First crank. Oh, hey, for y'all were first with us, now you see the Camaro, it ain't got no leads on it, but somebody did say they might wash it. But he said he gonna wash it, but you see it, but ain't no leads on it. Everything straight. Hey, he said he ready for this now. He said he ready for this. That's his pride and joy. Mr. Stain. What you name her? Oh, he don't want to say the name because he did tell me a name a while back. It was pretty cool how he said it, but yep. Everything going good. Dropped the old storm shadow off so I can get that oil leak fixed. And the power steering went out on it. All right, and other than that, so right now, I got something else going on, like a little project, but at the same time, I don't think I'll be doing this every time because I'm done with welding for real. But I do it every now and then. But I got my welding hood right here. I gotta break out the welder, and y'all wanna see what I'm gonna be working on? A lawnmower deck repair. Nah, I think I'm not in no repair business. I'm in this business right here. But I weld every day. I'm about half blind. For real. Let me stop playing. That is giving me something to do with my my little welder, but it just little side jobs that I want to do for myself. But other than that, man, I can show you what I got going on for real. So let me show you what I got going on for real. Yep, you see her. She right there. Old black beauty. She right there. All right. Right here. You can see right here. Metal, the wheel right here broke from the deck, but also they've been using it. And you can see right here it kind of tore from the deck all the way around. And you can see right up in here on the inside, right here. You can see right down the inside where it rusted. I gotta try to grind that out best as I can because I don't have no grinder. I ain't got most of the tools to do this stuff with. But at the same time, do the best I can to do it. I know I'm gonna tack it on that side and probably do full welds on the inside. You can see it pretty good right there. So for right now, I'm about to go ahead and right now you can see I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to set up and everything. Got my wall plug. It's a 110. It's a 110 welder. But I think you're gonna need something. I think you're gonna need something more heavy duty so it can last a little bit longer. That's what, in my mind, that would be the best bet. But I'm gonna see what I can do. But other than that, it's out my hands. I get you set up on the outside, and then I'm gonna get that going because I already beat that piece out, so I can get a good weld on it. And I'm gonna try to use I got a cutting wheel I'm gonna try to use as a grinder. So like I said, I ain't got most of the stuff I need, and I'm gonna try to do the best I can. So other than that, your video gonna start right now. Nah, that ain't gonna work. Guess I'll take it in place right here. Don't judge me. I know my grass a little bit taller than what it's supposed to be. Don't judge me. Oh man. Alright, what I'm doing, just tacking in place. Just tacking in place. right, you can see right here, ain't too bad for that white that came in the box with it. All right, I'm trying to tighten it up, come over it with another pass, and then I got one more spot right there. All right, I'm gonna come over it with another pass, then I'm gonna flip over and get on that. But yeah, I'm almost done with the top part, and then I'm gonna flip it over and weld up under the bottom, and that should be it. So one more pass of that, tighten it up, and then to the bottom I'm going, and then I'll probably do a short video of that, how it gonna look, and then probably a few seconds of the weld, probably the first pass of the weld, and then I'll show you the end product. So alrighty, now we on the inside. Yep. So now I am gonna get that cutting wheel. I can clean it up on the back side so I can make sure it get a good bond to the metal. But I couldn't hardly do nothing because that bracket was in the way. So now we're gonna take it to the inside. See that good burn mark? See some good burn marks in there a little bit? Got some of that penetration. So I'm gonna try to make more penetration through this side right here. Not burn through, but penetration. So let me set y'all up so y'all can see this process, and we're gonna get through it because we're almost done, and I'm gonna show you both sides in a little bit. All right, this is one pass. I'm gonna go over it again with another pass. Right here, I adjusted the heat. The thing started looking good. Right up in there, I'm gonna come back with another pass. And then go ahead and hit the like, share, comment, subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, hydro dipping or whatever. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But yeah, like I was saying though, I'm gonna go ahead, do some more welding to it, and I'm gonna show y'all the end results. All right, and your next video right here. All right, I got it handheld right now. But yeah, man, your boy finished and everything, so y'all ready to see it? Final results. I don't think y'all ready. Final results. All right, here we go. There it is. Now I couldn't help them little splatter ball because, like I said, there ain't nothing but a flux core welder. Hey, if y'all gonna do a little bit better, hey, y'all better welders than me. But other than that, that's why I can get it close to, because I'm used to gas operated argon 95.5, if I said that correct. But that's what I got right here. And let's see if I can flip it over. Let me unhook my ground. Let me unhook my ground right here. Oh yeah, y'all know that ground, boy. Getting up and getting down and get up from that ground is a little bit difficult. So your boy had to make a table. And don't mind me, man. My allergies killing me. All right. Let me turn it around. Let's look what it. See what it look like right here. Got them good thick bead wells. And hope that'll last. Hope that'll last, y'all. Alright, so your boy done with this. I don't know what's gonna be next. I know I got a video edit for a video that had previous before the intake, Corvette intake, and the fuel rail covers, and then that one gonna be next, and them probably gonna be posted way before this even be shown. So yeah, man, I got a whole lot of things to do, and that was probably one of them. But other than that, there go Black Beauty. Yeah, with my welding equipment on it. Shout out to this Titan, this titanium welder. It did its thing for right now. So I'm out right now.